Hey guys, real quick, just to make sure everybody understands what to do with Quizlet Match or Quizlet Learn, excuse me. If I'm looking at Google Classroom, this is obviously this week, 824 through 828. You'll see a thing down here that says Ghost Vocabulary Learn Activity Part 1 using Quizlet, okay? So, as always, you'll want to read the instructions before you attempt it. It says complete the Learn activity on Quizlet. You're going to have to sign into Google to do this. So make sure when you go to Quizlet, you sign in. And says in caps, take a screenshot of your 100% completion screen when you're done. Submit your screenshot for credit. Click mark is done. Click the mark is done button once you have submitted your screenshot. Oh, there's the announcements going off. Well, that's kind of awkward. Anyways, I'm going to click on the link. It says Learn Ghost Vocabulary. And I get this screen right here where it says Welcome to Learn. Okay. If you don't get that for some reason, I'll walk you through how to do that next. If I get this one right here, all you need to do is click on the Learn Activity. Now, the Learn Activity is fairly easy. If you have your notes handy, definitely use your notes. It's just going to walk you through to make sure you're familiar with the words and that you've mastered the words, okay? So I'm going to click Got It. And some of these will be type in, some of these will be multiple choice, and you kind of go from there. So stop closing tightly. Let's see here. Let's just say unclenched. And oh my goodness, I got it right. So if I look over here, I got 12 remaining. I'm familiar with one, but I've mastered 0. Once you've seen a word twice, it will jump to the mastered category. So pretty much you got to do this activity till you get all 13 mastered on this side. An instrument with a built-in microphone. That's going to be a bullhorn. And I got it correct. I feel good about myself because it means I'm familiar with 2 words. To eat up greedily, I'm going to purposely get something wrong. I'm going to click vendors. And I'll say, I need to study it. Oh, no. So I need to study this. So press any key to continue. And it's going to leave that at just too familiar. Oh, there's the... Don't they know I'm recording a video? Write something quickly. It's going to be jotted. And boom, I got it right. And you can tell over here on the left-hand side, it's changing as I do. Okay, so that's how you do Quizlet Learn. Now, once you get done, you will have a screen that says 100% mastery. Okay, you want to take a screenshot of that and then drop it into Google Classroom. Now, I know every laptop computer is different when taking a screenshot, so you may have to Google how to do a screenshot. Oh my goodness. They're just beeping and they are so rude. That's okay. You may have to Google how to do a screenshot on your laptop because I know I've had 3 different laptops over the last 10 years, and each laptop had a different process for doing that. If you're doing it on your phone, you may have to look up how to do a screenshot on your phone. But once you have that screenshot, you will drop it in right here on this assignment. I can click View Assignment, and then I know right here. I can add your work, add or create. I can drop in my screenshot of it, and I can get credit for it. It should not take forever. But if you have any questions, send me an email. As always, peace out. Y'all have a good one.